In today's video, I'm sharing a pressure point breathing technique that can help ease symptoms of a cold, like congestion, headaches, or even sinus pressure. And if you suffer from headaches or migraines during your cycle, you can also practice these techniques. This simple practice combines acupressure with deep breathing to help open up your airways and relieve pressure in the head. So hopefully you can find some relief after doing this practice. And I recommend doing this technique 2 or 3 times per day, especially when you're feeling blocked or stuffy. And make sure to press gently. These points don't need a lot of force. So I invite you to find a comfortable seated position where your knees are lower than your hips to support your spine, and opening your chest to support a better flow of prana. Relaxing your shoulders, and if you're not watching me, then I invite you to also closing your eyes to focus inward, if that feels safe, of course. So take a few breaths to settle in. And then as we move along, bring your attention to each pressure point and imagine a release of this point as you hold. We'll focus on 5 specific points to help relieve your symptoms. So first we will pinch the bridge of the nose close to your eyes with your index finger and thumb. Not too hard, but apply a bit of pressure. And try to breathe slow and deep, as much as is possible today. And then our next point is under the eyebrows. Taking the soft part of your thumbs and start to apply a soft pressure at the base of your eyebrow. There's a nerve ending here. And again, slow breaths. Imagine releasing tension from these points. And our next point is above the eyebrows. So taking your index finger and middle finger and start to apply a soft pressure. And then smooth it out to your temples and making a few circles here. And let's do that one more time. So take your index finger and middle finger, apply a soft pressure above your eyebrow, and then smooth it out to your temple and massaging this space as you focus on deep and slow breaths. And then we'll move to the next point. Place your index finger in between your eyebrows, your third eye point. And this point is also known as the Yin Tang point in acupressure. Apply gentle pressure here and hold. And as you press, see if you can inhale through your nose for 4 counts. And exhale slowly through your nose or through your mouth for 6 counts. Visualizing your sinuses clearing. So in for 4 counts, 2, 3, 4, out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat that one more time in your own pace. And this point helps to reduce sinus congestion and headaches. And then we'll move to the next point, nostril pressure. So use your index fingers to gently press on either side of your nostrils next to the corners of your nose. for the L20 or large intestine 20 point. And this point is used to open the nose and to improve breathing. So hold the pressure here and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhaling either through your nose or through your mouth. Maybe you can feel some release in your nasal passages. And let's repeat this for 2 more rounds. Breathing in through your nose. And breathing out. Your last time, breathe in. And breathe out either through your nose or your mouth. And then our next point is the L4, it's a hand pressure point. And you find this point between the thumb and your index finger. Doing this acupressure can help with pain and headaches, but don't do this if you're pregnant. Then stick to any of the previous points that felt the best to you. So apply a firm pressure using your opposite thumb and your index finger as you press, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. And see if it's possible to relax your body with each breath. And repeat for 3 more breaths in your own count. And keep your focus on this pressure point. And you can also massage this point a little bit. And then switching to your other hand, taking your thumb and your index finger, place it in the fleshy part between your thumb and your index finger, and apply pressure or massage a little bit. And if you found this practice helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you tried this technique. And then rest your hands on your lap, closing your eyes, taking 3 slow, deep breaths, imagining your body clearing out any last bits of congestion or tension. And you can repeat this practice as much as feels good in your body. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel better. Flow with love and peace. Namaste.